if I'm looking at this specific, report, and these are some KPIs compared to prior year, if I open up Copilot, and I'm going to go ahead and drop in, then I'll read this question. So if I go down here and ask a question, so, as a company trying to outperform competitors, what insights can you provide me regarding the financial ratios on this page? Please compare these results to benchmarks for what high-performing technology companies achieve. So if I go ahead and hit execute on that, now it's going to work on it. It might take a few seconds, and it looks at that data, and it's going to tell me each of those different ratios, and then it's going to give you what the benchmark indicator ranges are. The model that we were providing on top of JDE, which was QuickLaunch, has these KPIs already built in. These benchmarks, we didn't provide any of that information. That question forced Copilot to say, okay, some of this I can build from this model. Other parts of this information, like the benchmarks for technology type companies, I've got to go out there and find that through other sources, in the ecosphere. So it breaks down the different types of ratios there with some insights. And then it actually says, okay, what are some opportunities of strengths and what are some areas for improvement? Right, and then you can even ask, okay, what specifically could I do to improve the, sales versus working capital, right? Or in this case, maybe I want to see the results, in a table. So I can go down here and say, can you display the results above in a table? So, which is kind of nice. It just basically, retrofit the data. Said, okay, yeah, here's the ratio, here's the company value, here's a high performance benchmark, and then each one of those kind of gives you and summarizes, the insight. So again, if I'm a CFO and I've got these reports and dashboards that keep showing up, being delivered to me every month, maybe this is a better way for me to, what can I do to action? What, do I have to go mine all this myself, or can something like Copilot do that for me? So this is one example of a Copilot example.